Good morning, dear children. So, you remember in the moral science we were doing the chapter He Knows Best. That means we learned in this chapter how to trust God. Now, the moral of this story is trust God with complete faith. On page 9, it is written, trust God with complete faith. He knows what is best for you. He knows what is best for you. So, that is the moral of the story. And basically we'll be doing question and answers, meanings we will do everything in the book only. So I will discuss question answers today. You try to do it on your own. If not, then in the next class along with the new chapter I'll give you the question and answers. Now let's discuss. Why did Raj ask God to send gentle showers? So Raj asked God to send gentle showers. So his plants need rain so that its tender root may drink and swell up. So that the plant trees get some the tender root of the tree get swell up, can drink and swell up. Now next, why Raj asked for warmth? What did God send? Now Raj asked for warmth so that the tree needs warmth and sunshine. He asked them to send the glaring sun to spread sunshine. Now for what it needs? Because the tree needed the warmth. So it asked God for please it for to send sunshine. And what did God did? God sent the glaring sun to spread sunshine. Next. Why did you think Raj olive tree withered? Now Raj olive tree withered because it withered and died. Why? Because Raj, he did not let the tree grow on his own. He didn't trust it in God. He asked God whatever he want, but he never trusted in God. So what is the answer for this? Raj tree withered because he prayed or trusted in God with condition. He did not believe in God unconditionally. And his tree withered as he asked what is required, not what is the best for the thing. So God knows best for the trees. He was not able to trust in God. That's why his tree withered. You may get everything, whatever you ask for, but that is not true that is good for you. Sometimes it may not be good also for you. Now, why did Ravi's olive tree grow so well? Ravi's tree grew because he trusted in God and he knew that God is the creator of the world and he is no better than him, whatever is required. So he unconditionally prayed and God sent it what is needed. So God took care of the tree and it keep on growing so well. How should we face the easy and difficult times in life? We should face the easy and difficult times, joys and sorrow with complete trust in Him. Now, how should we face? We should face the easy and difficult times, joys and sorrows with complete trust in Him. That is complete trust in God. He knows the best, what is best for us. Okay? He never let us fall. He never let us fail. He always take care of us. Okay, so I hope you can go through the both chapter and then do these answers. The final answers I'll give you in the next class along with the explanation of the new chapter. Till then, try to do it on your own. Now, children, on the next page we have done true and false. God knows what is best for us. True. Raj tree withered because he did not waste water. It false. Ravi had water. Ravi had faith in God, so he entrusted his tree to God. True. We should always pray to God with conditions. False. We should never pray with condition. We should pray unconditionally. He'll do whatever is the best for us. We should face all situations in life with complete faith in God. Yes, we should have complete faith in God and trust. Now, easy and difficult. Now, you can read this exercise. You can see whether the situations were easy or difficult. And then there is a place of like complete these words like love, family, your blessings that you have, and you can complete it. Okay, children? So, read the chapter. Do the write the moral of the story, read the moral of the story, try to do the question and answer and do the exercises. Okay, see you in the next class, children. Bye.